Hi, it's David Green, founder and CEO of R3 Stem Cell, the nation's leader in regenerative cell therapies. One of the questions I got recently is, why create R3 Stem Cell International with a new clinic in Tijuana, Mexico, when you've done over 11,000 procedures at your network of centers throughout the U.S., over the last 8 years? Well, for me, it became one of these things where throughout the years, yes, we've helped so many people at our centers, but there are so many individuals, either in Canada or the United States or other countries, that really want to help, but either they don't have access to it or they just can't make the investment. Now, we have created the R3 Heroes program. We've treated over 100 veterans over the last year, but I wanted to be able to, for less than $3,000, and our price is $2,950, for people to be able to get 30 million live stem cells, which is a lot, like 10 times more than what a typical treatment is in the US, for a third of the cost. Let me say that again. 10 times more cells for a third of the cost. That's what we've been able to accomplish. So what that means is someone who has significant, kidney failure or thyroid issue, heart disease, arthritis in multiple joints, can receive therapy with stem cells, growth factors, exosomes at our clinic in Tijuana, Mexico, with a very large amount of the biologic for less than a third of what it would cost here in the United States. We found that, and any patient who has treatment can see the certificate of analysis, which shows all the things that the testing is done for, the cell counts, the generations of the stem cells. So, every time it replicates itself, goes through mitosis, it becomes a next generation. And every time it does that, let's say 10th, 15th generation, those tend to be much, much less active than earlier generations. So we really wanted ones that were between the 2nd and 5th generation. That's what we have and provide to patients. They're very active, and they're much, much higher numbers than anything you can accomplish here in the United States, okay? So there you go. That's an overview of why we did it and a little bit of how we did it. Our purchasing power is very high, and I brought that to the table in our Mexico clinic because it's very important to me to be able to provide this opportunity for as many people as possible. We really want to change lives just like we do here in the U.S. All right, look at our other videos to see exactly how the process works. Everybody needs a phone consultation, which is free, to make sure that you're a candidate before we engage the process further. Visit us online at stemcelltreatmentclinic.com. Call us at 888-988-0515, and we'll get you scheduled for that free phone consultation. Thank you.